Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can optimize our Instagram profile. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to optimize our Instagram profile, we can click on this profile button. Then you can edit your profile to optimize your Instagram profile. And if you want to edit your profile, you can click on edit profile button right here. Then you can add bio to your profile. To make your followers get details information about you. For example, I'm going to add this bio. Then you can type anything on your bio to describe yourself. You can also put your another Instagram account. And after you're done creating your bio, you can click on this check mark. Alright, and you can also add link to your bio. You can add your blogspot link or so on, and you can customize it as you like. And if you're bored with your current profile picture, you can edit your profile picture right here, and you can choose either you want to create new profile picture or you can use your avatar. And I'm just going to click on new profile picture. Then we can choose the picture from our gallery. If we want to change our profile picture, you can choose the photo that you like. And for example, I'm going to select this one. All right, and we can click on next. But wait guys, it's still loading, and we can edit this profile picture before we post it. We can click on that button, and we can also put filter to our profile picture. Then after we are done, we can click on next. Okay guys, and now the profile picture has been changed and we have added bio to our Instagram. Okay, and I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.